Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go kicking you out. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go kicking you out, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will search about the application of Monopoly Go and you will enter. So you will find it here in this list. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. After that we click on storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.